Alright YouTube, in this video we are going to see how to use the effect. As you can see the screen. This is created with the help of pure CSS, not JavaScript, not jQuery. In this video we are going to see how to create the auto rotate yin yang effect. Okay, let me remove all the styles and start from scratch. And the HTML we have is simply the very same. We have a container which has a class, enter it. Inside the container we have a child div which has a class shape. Fine. Now all the codes depend on our CSS. Fine. Choose the container, make the container to position, make the container to be at the center of the screen by using the style called position absolute top 50%, left 50%, and translate 50% on x-axis, 50% on y-axis. Fine. Now give the background as black. Now it's time for the center class which is shape. So it's time for the child class that's called shape. Give the background color as black, give the height as 200 pixel and give the width as 200 pixel. Refresh it, and you need a border bottom of 50%, let's say 100%, so that you get a complete half circle. Border bottom not 100%, 100 pixel, solid white, and give the border radius of 50% half circle. Once this is done, you can remove the background color of the container. Now it's time for the pseudo class colon shape. Before position ABSOLU, position absolute, top of 50%, left of 50%, and height of 40 pixel, width of 40 pixel, and then border radius of 50%. Let me give the height and width as 100. Let me give the background, that means background color. If I write background, it means background color as red to identify where we are currently right now. In order for the pseudo class to work, we need the important property which is content colon nothing. Fine. Now it's working. Let me make it top 25. Yes. Now give the background color as, let it be. Now it's time for the border. Border, let's say 40 pixel, solid yellow. Now change the effect. This one should be white. Yellow should be white. And the red should be black. Same way, copy paste and change the pseudo class to, after, in place of left, just add right. And you need to change the color. In place of black it should be white, in place of white it should be. So our yin yang is ready. Now it's time to rotate. Let me make the container a little, let me give the container a little rotation, that is 45 degree, and let me give the border as well, 10 pixel solid black. If you give it would be square. Give the border radius of 100 pixel or 50 pixel, it's up to you, both can be applicable. And give the animation to the container, so animation to the child, animation name, time, speed, how many time the loop, infinite, the loop should be infinite. Define the animation, keyframes, by move on 0% and on 100%. Just rotate. Transform, rotate 0 degree, and 360 degree. There seems to be an error. Let's see what it is. As you can see, there is an error. We are going to solve what it is. We just have to give the top as 45 degree, 45%, then it should work fine. As you can see, it is working exactly as we thought. Fine. I just changed the rotation degree and it is moving clockwise or anti-clockwise depending on it. If you want, you can add the box shadow as well to the shape. 10 pixel top and bottom, 10 pixel left and right, 20 pixel blur, and the color black. Fine. The scope of this video is done. Thank you for listening. We will find the source code at the description box. Thank you.